At Shingleback, I have dropped the old and deliver now a fresh COVID-safe wine, food and seafood experience. Yes, a contactless COVID-safe service is in place. Hand sanitizer on arrival and a safe waiting area are only the beginning. Commercially sanitized tableware, glassware and cutlery, table chairs and door handles all cleaned before your arrival. Together we can help stop the spread and save lives. Okay, now let's talk about WineFood. Yes, 4 wine-infused dishes are served with all the matching Shingleback wine included. You can also take a seat on the Seafood on the Rocks table and enjoy 7 seafood dishes, including Chardonnay cured Atlantic salmon, tuna in seaweed vinaigrette, and oysters in semillon jelly. And also scallops and citrus julienne, Italian prawns, and grilled and pan-fried barramundi or kingfish. And yes, dessert and all matching Shingleback wine is included. Welcome back on the other side here at Shingleback. Hope you will be back.